students, so here is question number 10. So I have copied it right over here so that way I have more room to work. So let's get started. All right, so we have the absolute value of x minus 4, and then minus 3 is less than 5. So remember, when approaching problems like this, you need to isolate your absolute value first. So that means I need to get rid of this minus 3. So I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to add 3 to both sides of my inequality. Make this a little skinnier. All right, so I'm going to have x minus 4 still over here. That 3 is going away, and now this whole expression is less than 8. So now that I have my absolute value isolated, this is where I can split it into the positive version and the negative version. So whatever x minus 4 is, it needs to be less than 8. That's what the problem says. But remember, you write the other problem, so x minus 4 needs to be greater than a negative 8. So the idea is this distance needs to be in between 8 and negative 8. So here we go. So in this first one, we're going to add 4 to both sides. And we're going to get x needs to be less than 12. All right, so then on this inequality, when we add 4 to both sides, we'll get something a little different. We'll have x is greater than a negative 4. All right, so now when we come over here to graph our solution, I'm going to start with my pink half. So remember, there's no equal to line, which means you need to use the open dot. So x is less than 12 in this direction. Now my green solution, once again, open dot on the negative 4. But it is this direction that makes values greater than negative 4. So my solution is all of these numbers in between negative 4 and 12 will make this inequality true.